Hello everyone, welcome to the Curing Corner. Today I'm gonna show you how I made a beautiful Lilypond keychain. I'm using real dried flower, clear UV resin and green resin and molds. Let's start making the leaves first. We need a few more leaves. I used just a little extra strength to pour colored resin and ended up here. And that's okay, I just made different types of leaves instead of making same type of leaves. Now let's make the lily pond. There is a bubble.
Cure it for 150 seconds.
Time for demolding.
It's already looking good. Let's make it
An extra coating. Curing again for 60 seconds. Let's make it more realistic by giving